Yo, it's YouTube. This is gonna be a short video. It's gonna be talking about the classes cards over here and the classes page. So the classes page is gonna be basically the same thing as the membership page. So we're basically gonna be using the payment links, okay, and also the uh the cards and everything. So all you really need to do is just go into your membership cards and just copy and paste everything. But just instead of using membership card, change that to classes card. So that is what I basically did. So I just changed the type to classes because from our old schema over here. So classes. The only thing I didn't add right now is the stripe link, so we could add that together. So I could just go into our membership and get that object and just add it to classes. And then I'm just going to format the document over here. And literally it is the same thing, so I'm not gonna waste your time. And then we're gonna go to the Stripe payments and just assign the classes, and then just get the links and add them over here for payment of subscription itself. So that is pretty much it in terms of the classes section. If you watch the membership section, this is the same thing. So if you just go into the membership section, you're gonna find that it's basically just the same thing. Okay. So in the next section, we're going to be talking about the contact section, okay? And we're going to be talking about also the footer later on, okay? So see you guys in the next section.